Good morning, students. Today we will be covering the second part of the lesson, that is LCM, least common multiple. What is LCM? The least common multiple of the given numbers is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. Let's take an example. For example, 60 and 48. 60 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and 48 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now 2 occurs a maximum of 4 times in the factor of 48. 3 occurs only once in the factor of 60. And 5 also occurs only once in the factor of 60. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And your LCM is 240. The next example. 18, 30 and 50. 18 can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 3. 30 can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 5. And 50 can be factorized as 2 into 5 into 5. So while comparing, we can see that 2 occurs only once in 18, 30 and 50. Therefore, maximum number of 2 is only once. In the same, 3 occurs twice in 18 and once in 30. So the maximum number of 3 is 2. 5 occurs once in 30 and twice in 50. The maximum number of 5 is 2. For your better understanding, a table has been prepared for you. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 and the LCM is 450. Now let's solve practice set number 13. The sixth sum, 15, 30 and 90. 15 is written as 3 into 5. 30 is written as 2 into 3 into 5 and 90 is written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. That comes up to 90. The next sum, 105, 195. 105 is written as 3 into 5 into 7. 195 is written as 3 into 5 into 13. Therefore, LCM is 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. The answer is 1365. In the same way, few sums have been solved. The next sum, 18, 36 and 27. 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 27, 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 108. Rest of the sums you try to solve at your own end. For homework, solve practice set 13 3 times in your classwork. Thank you.